What's going on, YouTube? This is RC. It's been, hell, I think it's been like 3 years I've recorded anything, but I've been busy, moved, and that's a headache within itself. So I'm getting situated. Not sure I'll be doing speed runs, but I'm definitely still, tinkering here and there. I got rid of all my, hell, I think I got up to 11. I think I got up to 11 cars, 11 RCs, but I got rid of all of them except the Fit Scale Rampage Red Cat and a Slash 4x4. So I still have a lot of stuff I did not sell. As you can see, I'm working on a discontinued 18th scale Animus, I think it's called, by Helion. And this I picked up on Amazon. It's a HAIBOXING 18th scale. I believe it was like 118. It's a 4x4. Comes already ready to go. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. For some reason, I know people like this. I found it a weird thing, but here I am doing it, and I actually watch a lot of unboxings, as weird as I think it is. So let me back up. Excuse the lighting and all that. I haven't worked on anything. I'm literally just raw footage. No editing, no preparation. I was desperate to open this thing and I just want to get it on video. So this is how it comes. Apparently this is a popular car for Amazon. It's one of their, I did some research. It's a company out of China, and they do, I think it's 8 scales, 10 scales, all the way to, I think, a 24 scale. But it seemed like a cool brushless option. Comes with a controller and everything, which I'll show. I don't want to make this a 25-minute video, so comes with 2 bodies, as you can see, a green one and a purple one, which you all know I like those bright colors. I got some bodies up there. Okay, so here it is. This thing looks a lot bigger. If y'all have never had an 18 scale, it looks tiny. I mean, it seems big on the screen, but in reality, it's a real small car. Let me compare it to a 10th scale, just so you have a comparison. And my screen went black. There you go. See? So in reality, it's a tiny car. It's supposed to go 35 out of the box. Brushless, metal gears, oil-filled shocks. And maybe before I take it apart, let's take everything out of the box. Comes with 2 lipos, which I thought was a cool thing. I guess one's already in there, but this is a charger. Crappy. A 2S, 1000 milliamp. I was impressed with the controller, believe it or not. I mean, what do you expect for 118 bucks? This damn thing is driving me nuts. There you go. See, it looks slick. Comes with all these, what is that? The trim, steering, and speed, which is actually cool because I have a 4-year-old and a 10-year-old. I could tone it down or max. It's not rubber or any foam on this. It's a little crappy, but what do you expect? What do you expect for 118 bucks when we're used to spending, 800, 900 and a couple thousand after you're done building them? But let's take a look real quick, because it's already Damn, five-minute video. All right. So yeah, it does come with a LiPo Dean connectors. Comes with a brushless motor. Oh, nice. It brings its own its receiver. That's not usually, these come with a dual. It comes internal. Damn, that's a big dog. You guys see it over there? Damn. Anyhow, sorry. So I'm used to these 10th scale and 5th scale cars, so like this tightness, I'm not sure how that's gonna work, because y'all know I ordered already a Castle, a Sidewinder, and a bunch of gears and stuff. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but when I start buying, I just go nuts. But it seems pretty good. It seems like a good little car. I'm gonna do some videos on it running. Oh look, it brings headlights, which is kind of odd for me, but they look cool. Yeah, I can hear the metal gears. So anyhow, just want to give you guys a little get back on the camera and give you guys an update of what's going on. I'm still have a lot of unpacking to do. See, I got all my RC stuff. God, you're talking about having to get organized. I don't know. I might give these away, but I don't know. All these foam tires, old GRPs. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all that. But anyhow, just want to let you guys know this is what I'm up to. I'm gonna be doing some bashing around the yard, and I'll try to do a couple videos. All right. Hope everybody's been all right. Hope everybody's had a great 2021, considering all the crap that's going on with the pandemic, and that everybody's staying safe. All right. I'm out.